Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Vizio Soundbar not loud enough, volume limit, EQ and dynamic range. Fix 1. Change TV audio format. You just have to open the TV setting menu and select audio, sound or digital output. Then change the format from PCM to bitstream, Dolby Digital or digital pass-through. Fix 2. Enable through volume leveling. You just have to press the menu or EQ button on your Windows remote. Use the arrow key to find a through volume or volume leveling. You just have to toggle the settings on. Fix 3. Perform a hard factory reset. For that, you have to locate the physical button on the side or the back of the soundbar. You just have to hold the Bluetooth button and volume down button simultaneously. Hold the button for 5 seconds. The LED light on the front will flash rapidly, confirming the reset is complete. Fix 4. Check connection. Use a high-speed HDMI cable connected to HDMI ARC E-ARC port for optimal performance. Alternatively, a digital optical cable can be used for audio connection. You just have to avoid a standard analog 3.5 mm cables as they may result in a weaker signals. Standard cables can also lead to a lower overall volume limit. So doing all this step will help you to resolve the issue. Thanks for watching.